92 was his low.
Matty, there you go, pal.
Oh!
Doggone it. E8. I had to reach. That was better effort.
Wow.
They're hooting on me.
The Gold Glove.
Everybody's hooting on me. Here
it
comes. It's coming. Now watch. You see, I got to lean out. I had to lean.
It was not a routine play. I'll give you that.
I had to reach. I should have made it. Now, I'm not going to say I shouldn't have. And I'll take the error.
I'll tell you, the way the bird scattered, I couldn't see the ball for the birds. I'm not sure how you tracked it. Swung on and missed. Well, Pavano punches out Nick Swisher for out number 2.